Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you how to change how your password behaves when you're buying a song in iTunes. If you're like me, I get annoyed every time I buy a song. I have to enter my password every time. I'll show you how to change that. So go to Edit, Preferences, Store. There are three options here. Always require a password, require after 15 minutes, or never require. Mine is set to never require. Once you do that, you're going to click OK. Then you click OK again. You have to enter your password. And now, anytime you buy a song, you won't have to enter your password again. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons. And a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Jeremy Charles Prale. Your name can be here too. Link below.